In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WooCommerce product table in just 5 minutes. Whether you're running an online shop or just getting started with WooCommerce, organizing your products in a table view can make it easier for your customers to browse and compare. So, let's dive in and make this process quick and straightforward. First things first, you'll want to navigate to WordPress.com. This is your go-to platform for managing and building your website. So make sure you're logged in. If you're not logged in yet, you'll need to click on Log In at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials, and you should be right where you need to be. Once you're logged in, the next step is to go to your WordPress dashboard. This is your command center for all things website related, allowing you to manage pages, posts, and, importantly for this tutorial, plugins. As you look around your dashboard, you'll notice a menu on the left. Here, you'll see the Plugins option. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you've reached the Plugins page, you'll see a button that says Add Plugin. Click on this to start exploring the many add-ons you can incorporate into your WordPress site. What we're looking for specifically is the product table for WooCommerce. To find it, you'll need to use the search function, typically located in the top right corner of the page. Type Product Table for WooCommerce into the search bar and press Enter. At this point, you should see several options appear, but we're focused on one specific plugin. Look for Product Table for WooCommerce, and once you've found it, select it. With just a few clicks, you'll soon have your product table up and running. So, go ahead and click on Product Table for WooCommerce to prepare it for installation. The final step is often the most satisfying, because this is where all the preparatory steps come together. You'll want to click on Install and Activate to finalize the process. This action will enable the plugin and integrate it into your WooCommerce environment. And there you have it. You've successfully added a WooCommerce product table to your website in just 5 minutes. This setup allows your customers to view products in a streamlined and efficient manner, making their shopping experience seamless and more enjoyable. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and useful tips on managing your online store. Happy selling!